I want to talk about citations. And citations are nothing more than online business mentions. And these business mentions give your brand awareness, they give you links from authoritative sources, and they make Google trust your brand and your website and your online presence even more. And these can be from all the different places. They can be from Google itself, so from your GMB, from a Bing listing, from Yelp, which is one of the most known out there, TripAdvisor, HotFrog, and a bunch more, which I'll attach a citation list with this video, so you'll be able to build them out and have a list of the ones you can create manually, or you can also send that list to someone else so that person can create the citations for you. But I'll send you a list from the most common USA-based citations, the ones most common in the UK, Australia, and Canada, so you can then go from there and build those citations. The most important thing when building citations is NAP consistency, NAP. This stands for name, address, and phone number. So you want to be accurate. You want to be accurate with this NAP. So the same NAP you have on all of your citations, you also have on your website. So on the footer of the website, you also have your NAP. So you want to be consistent, because consistency means Google will trust the information it sees on your business online. So if the information you have regarding your business all across the web, so in citation websites, so in Yelp, TripAdvisor, HotFrog, and everywhere else on the web, including your own website, if Google can see that there's an accuracy and there's a consistency with what you're putting out there, it will trust your brand more, thus ranking your GMB or your site even higher. So that's why it's incredibly important to have consistency when building citations with your NAP. Then citations, of course, also give you a link back to your website. These can be no follow or do follow. Most of citations and most of the authoritative websites, so if you have a link from Facebook, for example, it will be no follow. So most of the big websites will give you no follow links. But because you're going to be building a lot of citations with the list I'll provide, you'll have a mix of do follow and no follow citations. And like I said in the previous video, no follow links are not necessarily bad. Because say, for example, let's do Yelp. I'm not sure if Yelp is a no follow, but if it is, there's no problem at all. Let's just double check with this one right here. And let's see if it is a do or no follow, because of course you can include links to your site on these listings. You can see it is do follow. However, links from Yelp go through a redirect. And if you see here on the bottom left of my screen, when I hover over this URL, you can see it has a yelp.pt/biz_redirect and then the URL. And my understanding is that when you have a redirect link, it doesn't pass the link juice, as you can see you later, and then goes to the website. So this will count as a no follow link. But again, this is not bad. Why is this not bad? Because you're getting a link and a place on the internet on one of the biggest citations website out there. It has your name, your address, and your phone number, as well as a business description. This is extremely powerful. This is what you want. So this gives you brand awareness, links from authoritative sources, and Google's trust, which is the most important. And having a listing on Yelp will give you trust from Google. So that's why no-follow links are not necessarily bad. They can be good. Then we have something, and there's a difference. We have what's called citations, and then we have what's called data aggregators. Basically, what data aggregators do is they supply data to Google. Okay, so they gather data from online sources, including your citations, and display them on their site for you. So most of the times you don't even have to go to their website and manually list your business. They'll do it for you. And then of course you can claim the listing yourself. So again, what these data aggregators do is that they gather data from online sources, including your citations, your website, any other place they can find info on your business, and list them for you. So that's why it's important the info that is online regarding your business is consistent, because then we go back, of course, to the NAP consistency, because you need consistency because Google trusts businesses that are consistent across the internet. So the information you provide and you put out there in the internet needs to be consistent so that Google can trust that the information that's out there is real and it's truthful. So it goes full circle. And then we have, of course, the normal citations. These are your Facebook, your GMBs, your Yelps. There's a bunch of citations again. I'll list them with this video so you can build them yourself or pay someone to build them out for you. So yeah. Then indexing citations. What you can do is you can throw a bunch of links to them. You can go to connect.co/GSA and these are basically lower quality links ranging from 10k to 20k per blast. And what you do is you send all of these 20,000 links to your citations, and they'll get indexed faster than usual. So you're basically forcing the index. And then something else that helps indexing the citations is interlinking. So say we have here a citation from Yelp. So this is a Yelp citation, okay? What you do is on your citation, you're going to want to link out to your social media profiles, all of them, your website, of course. You can link out to your other citations, so multiple citations can be interlinked between each other. This gives relevancy and authority. Then, of course, you can also make a GMB post and link out to the citations, just like we talked about previously. And of course, from your social media, you can also link to your Yelp page or to any other citations. So you want to make sure all of this is interlinked. And I'll show you a perfect example right now. So let's see this one here. This is brownbook.net. It's a global business listing database. You also have Hotfrog. These are a bunch of Portuguese-based ones, but as you can see, you can add photos, videos, links, your social media links, like I am showing you here. But like I said, I'll add a citation list which you can use. But let me show you this one, for example. As you can see, this is a citation. It has the name. It has the name, the address, and the phone number. It has a link back to the website, and then it allows you to write an SEO optimized description. This is what you want to do, because you want to give Google the right signals that this is your business and what it is about, because Google will pull this information from this website. So if you scroll down here, like I was saying, you can link out to all your social medias, Facebook, Twitter. You can link out to all of them. Okay. So basically, what you're doing is you have your citations that link out to your website, okay? But your website also links back to your citations, because on the footer you'll have maybe a link to Yelp. Then these citations interlink between each other, okay? All of these interlink between each other. And you will have a bunch of citations. And then your social media is also linked from your website. Then the social media also interlinks between each other. Like I said, you can have a Twitter account tweet about the Facebook page, or the other way around, or any other social media, Pinterest, whatever. Then the social media can also link to your citations accounts, and all of your citations should also link to your GMB. Let's put GMB here, GMB, which of course links to your social media again, and your website, and your website links back to your GMB with a map embed. But all of these also can link to your GMB. So all of this is somewhat interlinked. And this is how you make the most of your citations. So you don't want to just create them and leave them be. You want to create them, then you can also force index them by using GSA links. Just go to connect.co/GSA, and then you also want to interlink them so you can squeeze out most of the power from them. Then finally, how many citations do you need? This is super simple. You need at least more than your competitors. The idea here is to have all of the ones your competitors have plus some more. And you can check this using Ahrefs or SEMrush, any other tool. You can look for their citations and their backlinks. But the goal is to have as many as they have and then some more. Of course, you want to have the main ones like Yelp and Hotfrog and all your GMB as well, of course. But then you want to have some more. And you can get citations by going to connect.co/citations, or you can go to White Spark. These guys are a bit more expensive, but they build out local citations and global citations as well. And they have a pretty cool service, which I can't find the prices for, but right here. So they can find citations for you, they can build citations for you, they can do a bunch of stuff. So you can either go to connect.co or you can go to White Spark. But the idea here is to have more citations than what your competitors have. And that's it regarding citations. I will see you in the next video.